In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a card from Trello. For those of you who aren't familiar with Trello, it's a project management tool that helps individuals and teams organize their tasks using boards and cards. Sometimes you'll want to clean up your workspaces by deleting cards that are no longer needed, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to go to Trello.com. If you haven't already, head over to your browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you have two options for logging in. You can use your email, or if you prefer a quicker way, you can log in with your Google account. Choose whichever method is more convenient for you and sign in. After you've logged in successfully, it's time to navigate to your boards. So head over to the boards section in Trello. This is your main hub where all your projects are organized into boards. And from here, you'll want to go to the Your Workspaces section. This section will display all the workspaces you're a part of, so take a moment to find the board you want to work on. Once you've located the board, click on it to open. This action will bring up all the lists and cards that are part of that particular board. Now it's time to pick the card you want to remove. Click on the card to open it. This will show you all the details of the card, such as attachments, descriptions, and any comments that have been made. At this point, you're ready to start the process of removing the card. Look for the archive option and click on it. Archiving is essentially the first step in removing a card from your active lists, kind of like putting it in a digital recycle bin. But remember, this doesn't delete the card permanently. So if you're sure that you want to delete it forever, keep following along. Next, you'll want to find the delete option. Click on delete to proceed. A prompt will appear to confirm that you truly want to erase this card for good. Click on delete once more to permanently remove the card from your board. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to remove a card from Trello. This simple process can help declutter your boards, ensuring that you maintain a clear and organized workspace for your projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.